Located in the heart of downtown Las Vegas, the D Casino is surrounded by the vibrant energy of Fremont Street Experience. Hey you, what up? Thanks for dropping into my channel and joining me for this walkthrough of the D. The D was originally the Sundance Hotel, which opened in 1980. Then it became a Fitzgerald's in 1988, and then in 2011, the Stevens brothers, Derek and Greg, purchased Fitzgerald's and rebranded it into the D. Located near the east entrance of the D is one of my favorite places on earth, American Coney Island. Hailing from the Stevens brothers' hometown of Detroit, American Coney Island offers specially seasoned Dearborn sausage hot dogs smothered in Carol's family's secret special recipe chili sauce. I highly recommend you scarf down at least one. The D Casino Las Vegas gaming space is approximately 42,000 square feet and contains over 1,000 slot machines and 22 table games. Located near the west entrance of the D, there is an automated McDonald's that serves delicious hamburgers made by robots. And here is the world-famous Long Bar at the D. One of the longest bars in Nevada, it's the central hub for drinks, people watching, and taking in the energy of the casino. And next here is the location of the Club One Players Club Rewards Desk. And right behind there is the hotel registration area. Conveniently located right next to the elevator bank is the coffee stand at the D. A great place to pick up a quick cup of joe or some grab and go. The D Shop offers gifts, souvenirs, and essentials. And that's the main level of the D Casino, but wait, there's more. On the second floor, the D embraces its vintage roots and offers a unique gaming experience you just can't find anywhere else. If you're looking for something a little more upscale than hamburgers and hot dogs, on the second floor there is Andiamo Steakhouse. Andiamo offers a classic Italian steakhouse experience and is known for their prime cuts and excellent service. For quite a while now, the second floor of the D has been one of my favorite places to just hang out and chill. It still retains some of the old Fitzgerald's vibe and the Sigma Derby horse racing game. A legendary blast from the past, the Sigma Derby machine has been lovingly restored and maintained by the Stevens brothers. The gameplay is simple. For a quarter, you choose which horse will come in first and second, and there is a set of different odds for each game, and the top payout is 200 to 1. Sigma Derby runs solely on quarters, so be sure to bring plenty of your own. And if you can remember what it's like to bring huge quantities of coins to Las Vegas, you are really old. Come on, 2-3, 2-3, 2-3. Yes. I won $1. And if you love bacon, who doesn't? The D is home to Bacon Nation. They have an insane menu dedicated to all things bacon. Sweet, savory, bacon, bacon, bacon. Also located on the second floor is Bar Canada, an ode to Canadian sports and culture. The perfect spot to get a nice cold Molson, eh? And at the end of the bar, there is a sports wagering area. In the corner, what do we have here? It looks like high limit slots and Keno. Nice. Oh, and here's a great little spot to have a smoke and a drink, the View Bar. You can have a drink inside and go outside to the terrace under the Fremont Street canopy and smoke them if you got them. And here's another remnant from the old Fitzgerald Casino, the Blarney Stone. For many decades now, generations of dirty, drunken, degenerate gamblers have been rubbing this Blarney Stone for good luck. Yikes. Show your support for this and future content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Hit the center icon to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.